All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking saving for retirement. You guys know I preach on this channel. If you're on flat rate especially, really just any tech in general, any person in general, should have a savings account with savings. So in case of anything happens, they've got money in the bank. You know, something happens, car breaks, expensive part, house, washer, dryer breaks, whatever, you need something, you've got cash on hand. Or you get hurt, you're out of work for a little bit, or anything else that can crop up. You need to have savings. I preach that on this channel. Now, in addition to that, we get old. Fact of life. As you progress, you get that savings account built up, then you need to look at investments. Now, what I mean by investments is, 401k, Roth IRAs, regular IRAs, the stock market. Now, I'm not going to give specific advice as far as what you should invest in, simply because I'm no expert. I'm not. I'm a tech. I fix cars. Financial advisors are more where you need to go for that kind of information. I will give some advice. One of the main reasons I can't give advice is because I don't know where you are as far as your age and all of that. So once you've got that savings account built up, start taking some of that money that you were putting in savings and start investing it. What investment's right for you is going to depend entirely on you. If you're young, you can go more aggressive investments with higher growth potential and higher loss potential because you can make it up as you go along if you have a loss. Whereas if you're getting towards the end of your career, you need to be more in safe investments that aren't going to be volatile. So I can't give you, invest in, Apple or whatever. You got to find the right investment plan for you, and you got to invest in it and let it grow. You can build a very nice retirement with just putting money away and having a good investment program. And it's important you plan for retirement because, in this business, it does tend to beat your body up. So you are going to have to retire at some point. So better to have a nest egg, good retirement, sock that money away so you can enjoy retirement and, hobbled over it. Better doing that at the house than still at a shop. Important to figure out a good investment program that will work for you, whether it's stocks, bonds, mutual funds, whatever. Get with a financial advisor and plan for the future. Hope you like this video. I know a lot of guys go, I can't afford this, I gotta buy a toolbox. You gotta buy a toolbox and you gotta retire at some point. So plan for both. It's important to take care of your future. If nothing else, you got to pay for kids' college. If you don't want them working in a shop like you, pay for college. I got two. So, hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down if you don't want to retire. Keep working in a shop. That's probably what I'll wind up doing, but not because I have to. Comments are always appreciated. Oh, and if you don't like retirement, give me a thumbs down. Comments are appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.